Welcome back to Product Critique,
your ultimate destination for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest beauty and skincare products on the market. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends in skincare, hyaluronic acid. And specifically, we're taking a close look at the Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum for face. If you're on the quest for hydrated, plump, and youthful-looking skin, hyaluronic acid is your best friend. And among the plethora of options out there, the Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum stands out as one of the best hyaluronic acid products for your face. So, what makes this serum so special?
let's break it down.
First off, this serum packs a powerful punch with not one, but two types of pure hyaluronic acid, along with vitamin B5. This dynamic duo works together to lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft, plump, and rejuvenated. Plus, it's oil-free, allergy-tested, and non-comedogenic, making it safe for all skin types, even sensitive and acne-prone skin. Just imagine waking up to smoother, more radiant skin every morning. That's the magic of hyaluronic acid. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate this serum into your skincare routine.
Simply apply 3 to 4 drops every morning and evening to your face and neck.
Either alone or mixed with your favorite moisturizer for an extra hydration boost. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers rave about the results they've seen with the Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum. From soft, dewy skin to reduced fine lines and wrinkles, the proof is in the pudding. And while the product speaks for itself, it's always reassuring to hear from real people who have experienced its benefits firsthand. Now, let's talk about something increasingly important to many consumers: sustainability.
La Roche-Posay is committed to ethical and environmentally friendly practices.
With sustainability features recognized by trusted certifications like Cradle to Cradle Certified.
So not only can you feel good about what you're putting on your skin,
but you can also feel good about supporting a brand that prioritizes the well-being of our planet. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best hyaluronic acid serum to level up your skincare routine, look no further than the La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum. With its powerhouse formula, rave reviews, and commitment to sustainability, it's a win-win for your skin and the planet. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and skincare tips. Until next time, stay glowing.